Hello.
Hi, you okay?
Yeah, what we're going to do?
We're going to look into our room, which is Breeze Building 5.
Oh, let's have a look then.
Building 5, Breeze 5. Floor 3, Room 8.
Right.
Magnus.
What we're doing, a room tour?
A room tour.
Bit of a room
Try to show
tour.
you around.
Okay, and what hotel are we staying at?
Fergus Waterpark in Mallorca. Magaluf.
Magaluf, yeah. So we are staying at the Fergus Aquapark in Magaluf.
Yes.
And this is one of the Magnus rooms. Not 100% sure what you get in the Magnus room, but we'll show you around it anyway. So, no further ado. As you come in, one of those cardy things.
Just the electricity.
AC, which always starts off, so you have to turn it on if you want it. This is a very small area for your bags, which doesn't actually fit bags.
No.
Which is a bit annoying.
You put ours underneath.
Yeah, you can put them under the bed. And then there's a fridge, which has got beers in, obviously, standard, and Aquarius. Okay, so in here we've got, obviously we've got 2 kids, if you've seen any other vlogs, but there's one bed there, another bed there, TV on the wall, which has got like BBC, BBC 2, that's probably about it, English ones.
I don't really watch the telly.
This is the mirror. There's me again. Hello. And there's Sarah. Hello. Yeah, in the Magnus, I think this might be one of the differences actually. You get the coffee making facilities, which I've not used.
No, nor have I.
No.
To be fair, the coffee at breakfast has been okay.
Yeah, it's been alright. We've got cubby holes, very important for putting stuff.
Kettle?
Oh yeah, kettle. I don't know if that's a Magnus thing, but there's a kettle cups. And there we go. Take you in the bathroom first. Here is the bathroom. It's right. It's a bit random. Okay, this shower isn't the best. Sarah, thoughts on the shower?
It's not good. It takes about 5 hours to wash my hair.
Yeah.
My hair takes a long time to wash anyway because I have a lot of it. Most of it's around the bedroom floor.
She's shedding.
But yeah, it's not the best shower. When we've had in previous hotels, the showers have been better, I think.
Yeah.
But it works. It does the job. It's easy to use.
Yeah,
It's not terrible.
It's not terrible. I mean, it takes forever to heat up, and the angle sort of hits the tap at the bottom, so you have to kind of like angle it up, so it just gets over the tap, because the pressure's not great. So I don't know. It's a 3 out of 10 for me on the shower. These are bits, right? If you're thinking you're going to get shower gel, you're not, right? You're getting shampoo and conditioner. So
we thought it was the other way round, didn't we? So we went out and panic bought shampoo and conditioner.
Yeah.
Because we thought there wouldn't be any shampoo and conditioner. We didn't bring shower gel, so we had to go and spend €5 on a small bottle of shower gel.
Yes, we did.
There we go.
Yeah, there you go. Live and learn.
Yeah.
So make sure you bring shower gel. Sink. It's a sink.
Yeah. Washes your hands, brushes
Yes.
your teeth.
The hand soap. They're obsessed with tea tree, so that's like a tea tree hand soap,
Yeah.
which is alright.
Yeah, and they've got the body milk.
And then
as
it's
well.
body
Aloe vera body milk.
Yes. Toilet is a toilet.
Yeah.
Hair dryer. Use the hair dryer.
No, I brought my own. But
Yeah.
Lona used it, didn't she? Yeah.
She did. There's an on-off button here, and then hair dryer test. Oh wow, that works very well.
I'm literally, I'd still be here drying my hair from day one.
Yeah, it's not the best. Oh.
Yes, if you like a powerful hair dryer, I'd say bring your own if you've got one in any case.
Yes.
But there is one if you need one.
Yes. So that's the main sort of living space, I would say. I guess if you only had one kid, one of those would probably be a sofa, maybe. I don't know, or maybe
Kids want to use them as a sofa anyway. Don't they?
Yeah, they do. They do. Right, into this room, there's another door. So it's separate, which I quite like. Separate bedroom. So this is, oh wow. This is the master suite. And this is beds, 2 single beds pushed together, essentially. Got a table thing on one side, table thing on the other. Another door, and this is another way out, as demonstrated by Sarah. Excellent. Another way out onto the balcony. Size-wise, let's get a fully grown woman. If you watched our Tenerife room view.
Right,
So,
I do it this way, and then I do it that way.
okay, excellent. Right, so which way are you doing first?
I do it this way first, but bearing in mind it's 2 singles pushed together.
Right. So, excellent. So foot length. Very good, very good. Fully grown woman there demonstrating. Thank you very much.
About 5'4" for context. And you get these little blankets in the cupboard?
Yeah, you do. We found these blankets, which we're here in October. We have actually found quite useful because it's been a bit nippy in the evening.
Come on, bikini.
Oh, right. Okay, so fully grown woman. Yeah, it's the width of a fully grown woman, I would say. Certainly smaller than the Med Palace in Tenerife.
Yeah.
Which is just a cavernous bed. Right. Cupboards.
Can I interject with the cupboard space?
You can. Let me just tell you about the safe. So there is a safe. It is €5 deposit, which you then get back at the end. So it's not like a daily charge, which is better than most. But obviously you still got to give them €5. Cupboard space.
I would say there's not a lot of cupboard space.
Oh well.
Ivy's stuff is all piled on top of the mini fridge, bless her.
Yeah.
So yeah, there's not buckets of cupboard space.
Okay, so be prepared for that.
Yeah, you do get about 10 hangers and things, but the girls are kind of just piled at the bottom.
Yeah. So cupboard wise, here's a cupboard. So bring hangers, I guess, if you want extra space. I guess that's the solution, really. You only get 10 of them, but obviously if you have more, there's more space at the top for stuff and things at the bottom. Marvellous. Mm-hmm. And then the rooms, there's another mirror over there for checking yourself out before you head out.
Yeah.
And should we go out to the balcony, Sarah?
I would say one thing about getting ready, there's no dressing table per se.
Right.
So I've been kind of doing my makeup perched at the end of the bed.
Okay.
But there is a big mirror here.
Yeah.
Which you can use, but there's no actual dressing table.
Yeah.
Unless you use that mantle, but then that's where the telly is, so there's not.
Yeah, okay. So there's no vanity table per se. Okay, that's fine. I know the girls have been using that one. So this is the balcony. And so we're in the Magnus. I'm going to do a room tour anyway. And it's quite windy out there, so just telling you now. So we're going to do a room tour, a hotel tour. But we're on the Magnus side, so this is essentially a pool on this side. The water slides are in the middle, but I'll show you anyway. So, hang your bit for putting your bits and bobs on. Dry in. Yeah, there's a table, chair. And to be fair, because it's like the double room, the actual balcony is pretty big, I would say. We do have a little friend, this palm tree.
Sway today.
Yeah, it's a bit ropey today. And then this is the view. So this bit down here, they've got like what do you call them? Like barley beds.
Yeah, barley beds.
Yeah, which I think you can hire. Then they've got a bit of a plinth for other beds, and then these things here are all like spongy, and you can lie on them. And then if you go around, she does, yeah. And then you go all the way around. And then it goes all the way down to the end there. And then in that corner, over there, that's where the Magnus food and restaurant and stuff is. But I'll cover all that later. So that is our balcony, which is pretty good size. So that concludes our room tour. Of this particular Magnus suite. How have you found the room overall?
No complaints really. It's quiet at night. It gets cleaned every day. You can get your towels cleaned every day. Leave them in the showers. You know what doing most hotels.
Yeah.
So you can get your towels cleaned every day. There's a big bottle of water provided every day.
Yeah.
Which I didn't know that happened, but that's quite nice.
Yeah.
Plenty of room for us to sleep. No real complaints really.
No, I would let's go inside to the room. We're out the window.
quiet.
Yeah. So I think I had a couple of things. It's quite quiet. There's no like noise at night as such. We are on the top floor though, so I don't know if we were further down it might be a bit noisier. But and there's no annoying buzz outside on the. Which again, if you haven't seen it, we did a room review of the Med Palace in Tenerife, and there certainly was a bit of a buzz outside.
Constant buzz.
Yeah. So it's been good. I've been impressed with the room, to be fair.
Nice aesthetic light shade.
Oh, there's a lampshade. Sarah wants me to show you the lampshade.
Sorry, I was quite distracted by it.
There's the lampshade.
I think it's quite nice.
Lovely lampshade. Beautiful. So that's us. Thanks for, obviously, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. We've got loads of stuff like this, loads of holidays booked up. And give us a like if you like the video. And if you are coming to this hotel, it's been decent, I think.
Yeah, it's been a nice week away.
Yeah.
Still got a couple of days left.
Yeah, we do.
Good, and the guys have had a good time, I think.
Yeah, it's certainly been good for an all-inclusive in Mallorca in October, just to get away for a week.
Yeah,
I would say.
100%.
All right, well, catch you on the next one, guys.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Speak to you soon.
Bye.